loves, it's Wendy here with In Focus Prints, and today I thought I would unbox my Kinleigh's Doodle box. So let me go ahead and pop everything out. And once we get everything out, I am going to set this box to the side. Okay, so let's see what we have. So we always get a little card with on the back. It's a little short note. These are cute inside of a planner, so I like those. I get the personal size kit. So let me go ahead and open the dashboards. Okay, so the first one is a gray background with the roses. We will have one with the goldish, brownish color background, and then with the teal, and then with the pink. So those were the dashboards. And then we have one of these pins with the gold, like the crown or the diamond. That one's really pretty. And then that's in white. We have a notepad with a little pen. That's really cute. And then we have two paper clips. And these are like velvet bows. These are real pretty. And it's kind of a mint and a green. So those are very pretty. And let's go ahead and open the stickers. Okay, so we have one with different deco pieces on it. And then we have one with half boxes and quarter boxes. And then date covers, March 2018. Habit trackers, this week to do, to call. Another to do, another quarter boxes. So those are really cute. And then we have some die cuts. If I can get my fingers to work. So the die cuts, we have a book bag and a desk. Oh, that's a really cute pen. And then a stack of books with a vase of flowers. Love the coffee cup. And then a paper clip, floral paper clip. That's really cute. And a planner. And another chair. And another bow. And then that's a watch. Oops, I think it goes that way. And then a computer. And on the screen it says, "Get it, girl." Then a clipboard, and then a planner. So those are really cute die cuts. Oops. We'll put those over there. And let's see what we have in here. So here's the first piece of vellum, and it is the greenish teal background with the floral. And then the next vellum is real pretty with the clear background and then the roses. And then the next one is kind of like just splotches, watercolor looking splotches. And then the last is the acrylic, or acetate rather, and then it is, let's see, the floral. And that is going to be it. So we could get 3 sheets of vellum, the one acetate, get 3 sheets of stickers, a notepad, 2 clips, a pen, and the die cuts. And then we have 4 dashboards. So that is it for this month's Kinleigh's Doodle Box. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I hope you give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe would be great. And until next time, bye-bye.